Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng sariling online store business na patok sa panahon natin ngayon na may pandemic? If yes ang sagot mo, then keep on watching this video. By the way, my name is Ed and may gusto akong ipakita sa'yo na 100% online business na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan. Ito ay isang e-commerce business na merong in-demand and winning products na pwede mong ibenta online. At ang maganda dito, ang business na ito ay tumatanggap ng cash on delivery. Kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng any products online, then dito sa business na ito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock ng products at ipadala ang orders sa customers mo kasi company na ang gagawa nito para sa'yo. And another good news is, we will be providing you your own e-commerce store for free. Kaya I'm very excited to share this business with you. But before that, I have a quick question for you. Nasa stage ka ba ng buhay mo ngayon na kahit anong trabaho mo, kulang pa rin yung kinikita mo? Yung tipong ginawa mo ng lahat pero at the end of the month, yung take-home pay mo is kulang pa rin? Well, my friend, congratulations because this business is exactly for you. This business might be the answer to your financial problem and I truly believe na hindi accident na napanood mo ang video na ito. Now, kung gusto mong malaman ang online business na ito, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-click mo lang ang link na nasa taas or sa baba ng video na ito and I will personally message you para maibigay ko sa'yo ang full details ng online business na ito. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next page.